Utilico Emerging Markets Trust invests in the energy transition megatrend. In this investee company summary, Jonathan Groocock, Deputy Portfolio Manager at Utilico, assesses Serena Energia. Serena is the fast-growing provider of hydro, wind and solar power in Brazil and one of UEM's top 30 holdings. Brazil is one of the largest emerging market economies thanks to its enormous agricultural and mineral resources. It's also blessed with an abundance of renewable energy thanks to steady trade winds which deliver high load factors and one of the highest levels of solar irradiance in the world. Approximately 90% of Brazil's electricity generation came from renewable resources in 2023, with the growth of wind and solar power increasingly contributing to Brazil's energy mix. This recent chart from the Energy Institute Review of World Energy illustrates that in 2023, 69% of Brazil's electricity generation came from hydro, with a further 13% from wind and 4.8% from solar. Serena Energia has been helping drive this trend since 2008, with its focus on hydro, wind and solar developments, in particular its development of the Delta cluster in Piauí and Maranhão states. When Serena IPO'd in 2017, UEM was one of the first investors, and the IPO brought much needed funds for organic development and acquisitions. The business model at that time was underpinned by long-term power purchase agreements, or PPA contracts, which significantly de-risked the company from price fluctuations. A high percentage of the output was contracted through long-term contracts with government-regulated entities and bilateral PPAs. As you can see, between 2016 and 2020, Serena's installed capacity grew an astonishing 8-fold. Whilst weaker market conditions during COVID put growth on hold, growth returned in 2023 with further wind and solar expansion, and even an expansion into the US with the Goodnight project in Texas. Today, Serena Energia is the largest independent renewable operator in Brazil. The financial performance has also been strong, with a significant increase in EBITDA between 2017 and 2023 and forecast for further growth in 2024. Here we can see EBITDA growth from 2017 through to 2024, giving an EBITDA compound annual growth rate of around 30%, which allows future growth to be funded by existing assets and project finance. That said, over the last few years, the Serena share price has declined from trading above 15 Brazilian reals to below 9. The share price valuation decline has become attractive to UEM, which believes that robust growth rates, strong cash flows and reduced debt makes for a strong investment case.